In number 5 position, we have Orlando Johnson with a PB of 9.214.
Boy, you keep going faster, bro.
What was it?
That was a 9.8.
Okay, it was misfire. We'll see.
So we're going faster.
Yeah.
All right, big up. Who are you going up against, by the way?
We got lucky and we have
Byron.
The number one goal for us is to get the car better every pass. We didn't really come to race, so we're just gonna spend it and
Just
see.
send it.
And then if we still good, then we keep going.
Everybody loves this car.
Number 4. In the 4th position, we have Lyndon Buu Bardowell in a time of 9.02.
All right, hold up Vernam, hold up Vernam. Hold up Vernamfield.
Yeah, right. I swear me hear him say, but making that out of the sleep.
Yeah.
Number 3. Coming in at number 3, Dwayne Porter. This all-wheel drive Civic was built, tuned by Dwayne Porter.
Team spin come out of yesterday.
Oh, let's see it, man.
That's a clear wheel spin.
I want to think more I said, Porter. How you come up with a color?
you know, say originally, first EG, what we did have, that I want the H.
Yeah.
Originally, that color we did buy, you know. But really, I'm sure that I car there, I want me to do for my brethren, you know.
See.
So when you see color, I ain't like it.
Come on, man.
I say, boy, I put it, I don't like that color there, so we throw some blue in it.
Yeah, boy.
So when I do this now, I decide, say, you know what? I go back to my original color, which was this color. So I'm gonna say if we can go a little bit faster and stuff.
Alright.
But for me,
Yeah.
do my PB run 196. Me not have a problem with me engine, me not have a problem with my car and none of them things.
Right.
It's a win for me at the meet already. I just want to go there, lower the time.
Alright. First out in 96. I mean, so far. Yeah, it's a good look.
Can't complain about that.
Definitely.
The engine is basically a JBRE sleeve block.
Okay.
Piston upgraded, everything supposed to support like 1250, 1300 horsepower.
Okay.
Now the edge we have, as you know, valve spring retainers, drag cartel, stage 3 camshaft.
Okay.
Intake exhaust was basically made by myself and so on.
Okay. So fabric is max
Yeah, man.
HP.
Yeah man, all fabric.
Okay.
The drive line now, which I want to really go hard on because all-wheel drive, you know, like the braking stuff too.
Yeah.
So we have a drag cartel billet, PPG straight through, billet transfer with PPG.
Nice.
The drive line, speed factory, upgraded.
Nice.
One of the back wagon with LSD. The back shaft, them I basically make them because the original one them too small. But bigger axles and stuff like that. So. Based on the past, we see a lot of potential still there, you know?
Yeah.
Just go out there, go try our best and so on.
Number 2. Coming in second is Brian Beckles, the fastest K-Series in Jamaica, with a PB of 8.859. I can't see well. Which number is this on the... For the first part of 2023, Bebo had some gearbox issues. A Byron or your Beardo?
We're racing the Tesla.
Oh, okay, that's what's up. So, what's the game plan?
Give it everything.
Send it.
That's it.
Alright.
Hold it. If it don't, it don't. That's how you do that.
They know we green, don't try us. They know I'm
Boy, 9.6, the fastest all-wheel drive K-Series.
Yeah, we want to make it faster today.
Once the gearbox issues were sorted out, the time kept falling. Number 1. In the number 1 position is Orville Williams with a PB of 8.197. In addition to being the quickest car on the extreme all-wheel drive list, Orville's Pulsar is also the fastest GTI R hatch in the world.
To order our products, visit our website at www.876streetsgears.com.
Who almost made it to the top 5 list? Number 6. Coming in at number 6 is Little T.
The upcoming meet, what's next?
Next upcoming week, well, I think the tune will give me an eye hits. Will give me an eye hits because him did one if you try that today, but I tell him the gear done.
Right.
So it makes sense.
Right.
Because if you look at my mile, the time split, the mile per hour is the same thing. It does not pass. member them come, the amount of fans come from Mobile bound. You see me? Westmoreland.
Look up, look at you. All of it, see it?
Yeah, man.
Respect, respect.
Coming up next on 876 Streets.